Hello everyone, welcome to Caesar's Palace. Today I'll be showing you a quick tour of this room located at the Octavius Tower, room 6455. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Enjoy my video. Getting out at the elevator here, we're going to be turning to the right. That's where all the rooms are. So walking down this long hallway. Okay, my room will be on the right here, room 6455. Now that I'm in, on the left here is the bathroom. So here we have the double sink, shower to the left. Got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the corner here. The toilet's in here. Okay, moving on here. You have the lotions, soap, the drawer here. We have the hair dryer, toothbrush, toothpaste, and a mouthwash. So down here is just extra room. There's nothing in there. And to the right, we have the jacuzzi tub. Moving on out here, on the right, we have a full-size mirror. To the left here is the closet. So as part of the amenity, they give you this, well, you could use a steamer here. You got slippers. 2 robes here that you could use. Got a luggage rack and the safe here. Okay, moving on to the bedroom. So there's 2 queen beds here. So complimentary waters right here. Got your phone, got your chargers, USB plugs. Got a drawer here. Across from the bed here, you got the TV. It's a little bit of table and chair area. To the right, you have a Keurig coffee maker, but it doesn't come with coffee pods, so you have to pay extra on that. So these are just drawers that you could use, put your clothes. So to the left here, you got the Fiji water and some snacks, but everything here, you have to pay extra. It doesn't come with it. Even the fridge here, when you open it, it's stocked, but everything is gonna be charged once you pick it up. So just be careful on that. Okay, on the bed here to the right, I was here during the Super Bowl week, so they gave me complimentary hats, t-shirt, chocolate, also tickets to go watch the Super Bowl. So they have a viewing party downstairs. So this room is really spacious because you got, like, you know, sitting area, table on the right here, and a couch. So this is the room. It's really big. It's a good size. So looking at the view here, my view is the pool view. So across from me is the Palace Tower. Okay, to the right of that, I think that's the Julius Tower. Okay, all the way back here, that's like the Flamingo Hotel. Behind that is the High Roller. So this is the month of February, so it's still kind of cold here in Vegas. That's why you see the pool. It's still, there's no water. You know, there's not much people out here except that one area. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Queen Egypt 911. Thanks for watching.